And I also got this little bunny cup. And I also got this sweet watermelon splash. That's all I got. Well, I'm gonna open this one right now in front of you guys. It's the surprise egg. Open. Come on, open. Okay. Here we go. Let's open this blind egg. Let's open it up. And open it up. It is. So this is the Stitch thing. You can get all these. This is the rare one right there. If we get that one, I'm gonna be so happy right now. This is the black bag. Oh, we got the one taking a picture! Just like you guys. So what is this bag? So we got this one right here. Isn't he so cute?
Yeah, Daddy.
Shopping Ninja.